They might introduce you. உங்களை போய் வேற யார்கிட்டயாவது introduce பண்ணுவாங்க. So for example, நீங்க உங்களுக்கு வந்து you are looking to buy something. A network is a group which is going to create success for you, which will give you insights what you do not have, which can help you get to whatever you want. Please welcome. Hello, vanakkam, welcome back. இன்னைக்கு வந்து நம்ம பேச போறது வந்து what is a network? I had a prequel to this. We said if you want to achieve the desired success in your lives, in your personal and professional lives, it is so important. நெட்வொர்க்னா என்னன்னா நீங்க வந்து ஒரு மேட்ரிக்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கோங்க, ஒரு rows and columnsல வந்து அந்த intersection points வந்து dots. It's a network. Each dot is an individual in that particular matrix, and there is a group of people like that. You want to be connected to that particular network. You want to get inserted into that network. A simple example is Rotary Club irukku, Lions Club irukku. There's a group of individuals become a part of that particular group of people, like the Lions Club, Chamber of Commerce, or young entrepreneurs. Many different clubs are there, and that is the reason why they create these clubs. In the idu vande to be a part of that network, you need to pay a particular membership or dues and things like that. The way I want you to think about it is, why is a network important? All right, network is important for the following things. You can think about it. If you're looking for a job, if you're looking for a mentor, if you're looking for a coach, if you're looking for a new idea, and you want to test that idea with individuals, if you're looking for a new customer, new client, if you're looking for a new supplier, if you're looking for a new relationship, anything what you do, you need some immediate help. It is so important to be a part of a network. But most importantly, a very important fact which I wanted to share. This is the LinkedIn report. 85% of the jobs which are filled today by organizations are because of referrals. அப்படினா என்ன? Companies வந்து அவங்களோட jobs வந்து எப்படி fill பண்றாங்கன்னா 85% they are filling it through referrals. But how are they filling it? It is because of you know that person who is working in that company. So that person is a part of your network. So why do you have to be a part of that network? Being a part of that network, it opens up opportunities for you. You are able to meet people from different backgrounds, as a result of which they might introduce you. உங்களை போய் வேற யார்கிட்டயாவது introduce பண்ணுவாங்க. So for example, நீங்க உங்களுக்கு வந்து you are looking to buy something, all right? Then if they know somebody in their network, they go ahead and introduce you. These organizations are set up in such a way that they are creating success for their members. If you talk about LinkedIn, in LinkedIn, there are various groups like that. So if you're a student, first of all, make sure that you're getting into LinkedIn. You actually create an account on LinkedIn, then LinkedIn groups irukku. You can join those particular groups. Those are connectors. In the sense, those are network points where you can connect with various different individuals. Back in the day, when technology was not there, it was very difficult to be a part of a particular network, because you have to go to these physical organizations like the Rotary Club or the Lions Club and various different clubs, right? Now, with the technology coming in, you don't need to do that. Why? Because you have LinkedIn, you have Facebook, you have various different technology tools which are available where you can actually be a part of a network. But the foundation, enna nenikkanumna neenga, a network is a group which is going to create success for you, which will give you insights what you do not have, which can help you get to whatever you want. If you're desiring certain information, if you're looking for customers, if you're looking for suppliers, a network can be absolutely helpful. If you're looking for mentors, coaches, a network can do various different amazing things for you. How does network apply for young school students? நீங்க வந்து ஒரு ஸ்கூல்ல படிச்சிட்டு இருக்கீங்கன்னா, if you are a part of the debate club, ஒரு debate competitionல participate பண்றீங்கன்னா, 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard, நீங்க வந்து இப்போ 6வதுல படிச்சிட்டு இருக்கீங்க, you will see students coming in from 7th, 8th, 9th, various different standards. You are able to meet them. Generally வந்து நீங்க வந்து ஸ்கூல்ல வந்து இருக்கிறப்ப you may not be able to meet them. If you're participating in drama, if you're participating in athletics, you get to meet people from different age groups, as a result of which you are building your network. You become friends with them. You get to know what is their interest. You meet new personalities, and you get to meet different teachers within the school, being a part of certain clubs. So that is the networking what you can do. If you're going for inter-school competitions, you're meeting kids from various different schools. That's the network what you're creating, right? And even if you're a school student, you should be on LinkedIn. You should go ahead and create a LinkedIn account and be a part of the LinkedIn community. The same thing goes to colleges. If you're a college student, being a part of various different clubs and chapters and doing social work and things like that, you become a part of the network. These are the networks which will help you create opportunities for the future. You could be a part of your teachers and professors. That is your network as well. That's a way to think about it. For parents, you reside in a particular society. There is a group of women or men who are getting together on a weekly basis. That is your network. Why? Tomorrow, if you wanted some kind of information, there is a neighbor who is able to give you that intel. That is the group what you're forming. And so being a part of that network is so important. So in this whole video, what we are emphasizing is, what is a network? Just understanding what is a network. For entrepreneurs, there are various different groups in the entrepreneurial journey. If you're looking at growing your business to the next level, first and foremost is, are you a member of certain chamber of commerces? All right, because you could meet various different customers. Chamber of Commerces will help you coach and build your business, give you the business framework. There's various different things Chamber of Commerces do. You could be a part of the investor community. Network has a huge effect in actually determining your success. I just gave you a rudimentary framework. I gave you insights about what a network is. In fact, 72% of our business at VDART and the group of companies grew just because of network. The power of relationships in the network. How do you manage your relationships, as a result of which you can create success, not just for you, for your businesses as well. So think about this. Share your comments or thoughts. If you like this content, please go ahead, share, subscribe, like, and for the time which you've invested in watching this video, I'm forever grateful. Thank you.